Good evening, everybody. I'm extremely happy and I'm extremely delighted to be one of the guests in the valedictory function of the National Virtual Conference organized by LIS Academy. And the topic that they have selected is wonderful: reinventing excellence in librarianship. I'm happy that you have already traveled 3 days, 4 days, and this is the last day that I am addressing all of you. I feel greatly honored to be one of the guests on this valedictory function of this national virtual conference. Dignitaries on the virtual dais, the president of this valedictory function, Dr. Satish Kumar Usmani, Director, Department of Public Libraries, Government of Karnataka, and guest of honor, Professor Deshpande, Registrar, Vishwesvaraya Technological University, Belgaum, and Dr. Satish Munnoli, Rapporteur General of the conference, Dr. Mohan, Dr. Shivaram. Very good evening to all of you. I'm happy to know that LIS Academy, Bangalore, under the leadership of Professor Konnur. I know Professor Konnur has been very active for the last almost 5 decades, and his talent is caliber is very much known to the entire state, to the entire country. And I congratulate Professor Konnur for having organized this National Virtual Conference in collaboration with the University of Hyderabad, who have organized a successful virtual conference on reinventing excellence in librarianship. I am highly excited to know that this conference was attended by a large number of librarian community across India and also abroad. I give my hearty congratulations from the depth of my heart for the entire team for successfully organizing this conference of deference in a virtual mode by successfully using the technology platform. This shows the librarian community is always in the forefront of using technology and experimenting with new practices. Dear friends, we all know the importance of libraries in creating a well-informed society, and especially the education system. And I remember one of the important aspects that I could see when I was a student in the University of Mysore. Library was highly acknowledged, and libraries were given utmost importance, and we used to be in the library from morning 8 o'clock to evening 8 o'clock. So in that context, library plays a very important role in building the personality, in building the great education edifice that we have seen. And what is that education system that we are expecting under the new education policy 2019, as to how libraries can play an important role in nurturing the younger minds by exposing them to the universe of knowledge. I remember Nalanda and the Takshashila, as to what were the situations that were existing during those days. The people who visited Nalanda and Takshashila, the Chinese traveler who visited Nalanda and Takshashila wrote that this was the greatest epistemology of the knowledge learning, teaching and also learning. I remember that there were about 10,000 teachers and more than 3 lakh students. And the library that was built during those days, Nalanda and Takshashila, which was unfortunately burned for many months together. Libraries are considered as the heart of any education system, which continuously trying to pump new information, newer ideas, and knowledge to its users. As to how libraries would be able to transform the idea of new information, innovative thoughts, innovative ideas, and also the changes that we are expecting in the educational system. And what were the libraries of those days? Maybe the pre-independence India era and the post-independence era. I was in London School of Economics. I was in Manchester University. I was in Oxford and also Cambridge when I went to Queen's College, Kingston College. They were able to build the libraries of their own, bringing the whole world into the libraries. I remember one of the great buildings of Manchester University. The library was located in such a situation. The library has been the treasure house of knowledge. Maybe universities of 400 years, 500 years, 600 years, 700 years, and 800 years. As to how libraries were being built by the people of those times, and what were the information that was available, and how is it that we may be able to take the knowledge to the whole world. The libraries of those times, the libraries of the today, they are undergoing transformational changes due to technology achievements. We are all in the world of e-world. We are all in the world of e-education, e-publication, and information is being overloaded. Maybe if you are able to go to the internet world, maybe the Google and the Wikipedia, as to what were the devices that are available and what are the communication technologies, and as to how is it that you may be able to have a treasure house of knowledge. Maybe if you want to have one information, they would be able to give you hundreds of information. Now the information is overloaded. The student community as well as the teaching community are really extremely happy that what they wanted, how they are able to expose themselves, and as to how the libraries that were very much there, the libraries of the past and the libraries of the present. The present day libraries, the physical libraries are shrinking, but at the same time, library content is ever increasing, and librarians need to get acquainted with these new dynamics in order to satisfy the information requirements of its users. Now, what are the challenges before the librarians? What are the tasks before the librarians? How the librarian community would be able to accept themselves for the new changes, for the new dialogues, for the new communication system, for the new technology. So, in that context, as to how librarians do have their own major role, and I feel extremely happy to address all the librarian community, all the librarians. I remember when in my student days, my librarians used to help me so much. They used to come to racks. They used to show these are the books that you wanted, and they were very friendly. They were very much learning friendly. In that context, the responsibility of the librarians is immense. Ultimately, what is more important for us in the present day context, as to what has been the challenge of the today, and what as to what has been the challenge of the user community, when we are all talking about digitalization, when we are all talking about the internet world, when we are all talking about the Google and also the Wikipedia. In fact, they have grown up with technology and are in need of diverse information requirements, and they're impatient and need instant information. So, in that context, you may be able to point out as to where the technology is and how is it that we may be able to use this technology, and how is it that we may be able to talk of the technology. And I remember that librarians are really friends of the learning community. Librarians are real friends. Librarians are the real people who really help those people who have the craving for knowledge. and they cannot afford to be reluctant in adopting to these changes and need to learn the required skills, set themselves to be more efficient information managers. Well, that is what has been more needed now. In that context, the role of librarians, the role of library community is extremely good. I'm sure by attending all these type of conferences, what LIS Academy has done, I'm sure that you will be able to enrich yourself and recharge your skills sets so that whatever the knowledge you have gained that would be translated as productive information services at your respective organizations. Well, we are all living in the world of globalized market economies. We are all passing through a transition stage where all these requirements, where all this technology, where all these aspects are very much required. I think this is one interesting question that you really look to. I was going through the program schedule and I must congratulate the organizers for bringing a galaxy of speakers from the reputed organizations, which include academia, industry, research and development, and publishing sectors to address all aspects of library operations. This has been a great achievement, what Professor Konnur has done. So, in bringing all these people together and in making all people exposed to the outer world at the international level, and I'm really happy that the lectures in all the six themes are really interesting and contemporary topics which present day librarians should offer. I can see now portfolios for the librarian community where really they can contribute to the growth of their parent organization along with conventional library services. So, in that context, all the organizations, all the librarian community should be applauded. To name a few, research data managers, which can help accreditations and ranking of institutions, intellectual property management, digital literacy, archiving. Well, this in that context, you are able to find all the parameters, all the contours, all the contextual studies that we are able to have. I'm sure the rich experience of the speakers would have enriched the participants' knowledge in these 4 days of event. I'm able to see that all these people who have come here, I think that if I'm able to name a few of them as to what has been done by all these 4 days, right from the first day, right from the first day, Dr. B.P. Prakash, Dr. Shantanu Ganguly, Dr. Giridhar Kunkur, Dr. Jagdish Arora, Dr. Parthsarthi Mukhopadhyaya, Dr. K. Rama Patnaik, all these scholars who have been able to expose the librarian community. And I strongly believe, I strongly understand that in that context, what attempts that you have made and what journey you have made all the 4 days, all credit goes to LIS Academy. I'm sure LIS Academy will continue its efforts and Kuvempu University would be with the LIS Academy. We already have one MOU with LIS Academy in strengthening the librarians and the librarian community. Being the beneficiary of LIC Academy, who helped Kuvempu University library automation and have implemented many other services for which I appreciate their efforts. So this is what the university, or this is what the research institutions, the research organizations, and the institutions will have to work out ourselves and would be able to bring academic excellence, would be able to bring richer research excellence. I'm sure the contributions of LIS Academy will go a long way and add value to the library science profession in India and also globally. I would be with the LIS Academy And Kuvempu University would support all the academic activities of LS Academy. I wish them all the very best for their future endeavors. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best.